Perovskites are the future of solar energy. One niche application is helping fixed-wing drones fly 24/7. Three Australian companies have partnered to develop and test drones that can fly at an altitude of 70,000 feet for weeks at a time, which is 6 times the flight time of current small fixed-wing drones. The prototype drones will be equipped with Halocell's Perovskite solar cells, LIS Energy's lithium-sulfur batteries, and Vitol's Pegasus fixed-wing aircraft designs. The collaboration is expected to result in drones capable of operating 24/7 for weeks at a time. This advancement in drone capabilities could revolutionize various industries, including remote surveillance, security, environmental monitoring, wildlife conservation, infrastructure inspections, disaster response, and many other applications. Perovskites are the future of solar energy, and drones is one niche application where its lightweight, low cost, and high efficiency in all light conditions can be a game changer.